Who is here with me? Hi. Is this not too much for dinner? Mm. Hi. Love my videos. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. How are you doing? Welcome to my live stream, guys. How are you all doing today? Where are you watching me from? I'm streaming from Lagos, Nigeria. All the way from the motherland. I'm glad that you love my videos. Thank you so much. I'm happy to hear that. You know what it means for someone to like what you create? Hey. Mm, um, thank you so much. Hi, success. Me. Hi, how are you doing? Say Black Beauty. Thank you. Thank you all for the compliments. How are you guys doing today? Hope you all are okay. Guys, if you're just joining, make sure you're double tapping on your screen and just double tap on your screen and give the live a like up, okay? Please, y'all. Long time no see. I miss you all. Like, I was supposed to come live like since, but I've been busy with work. I miss you guys so much. I've been enjoying my live stream lately and it's so good. I'm eating. What is happening YouTube? What's going on? Guys, where are you guys watching from? Drop your country in the comments. I would love to know where you are watching me from. Please don't go away. Please don't go. Hey, am I just discovering a talent just now? Because the way I've been singing lately. There's a connection. There's a connection. Maybe I'm born to be the second Beyonce. It's clear. It's getting clear. Maybe I'm the second Beyonce. I'm going to break record for you guys. Man, I have videos to edit, but I decided to come and talk to you all. What's happening now?